akasimula akapya zaita wives ndoza mu luzungu kitegereka mangu wives zinozo nga zitta buchafu zitta obuuka bonna bonna obuli mu ngalo n'obuli ku surface zikozesebwa abaana abato zikozesebwa abakulu zikozesebwa ku ssomero zikozesebwa mu office zikozesebwa na buli bantu bonna ababeera obuchafu. Tubebazanya aba media okubanga muzze omukolo guno nemuguweesa ekitiibwa kubanga mmwe abagenda otutwalira obubaka eri abantu ayo mu public abagenda otutwalira obubaka mu bantu mubategeeze nti bannange waliwo ekipya ekirongoosa engalo zisiimula nazo nezirongooka tozirekanga nkyafu. So tubebaza nnyo mwebale nnyo okujja si kyekyo neranziza
to serve in the different capacities, and we can exploit our celebrity, our fame, our names to be the vehicles and carry the different messages. This is one way that government can continue serving the nation, but also be a support to what is happening to us as a sector. So again, I want to applaud B2C for being leaders. Like I said before, you guys have stepped out and you have not only led on the charts, but you're also leading now, coming in even in
press. I want to welcome you this morning to the launch of B2C Kyebamuwande hand sanitizers, hand and surface sanitizer and cleaner. I'm really happy that young people have joined the fight against COVID-19. And I can assure you, if everybody was responsible, because coronavirus is a behavior change disease. If you change your behavior, you wash your hands, you sanitize, you wear your mask properly, you keep a social distance from your friend, we shall fight it together. It's not anybody's fault that it came. It could have come by default or by design. But now it's with us, it's everywhere. You can't evacuate people and hide them anywhere away from COVID. And if you come together like this, I think we can fight its effects. It has actually hit the world. It hit the world by storm last year. The most developed economies and the best healthcare systems in the world went on their knees. And at least Uganda, we are rated higher because we are among the best 10 countries that excelled in the fight against coronavirus. And in Africa, we are #1. Remember that we are rated by WHO. And also what we have done best in this country, apart from having lower numbers, fewer deaths, there's a combination of things which I won't go into that helps all this. But what I can tell you that if we change our ways and lifestyles, we can get better. Now that we have even got newer technology of sanitizing, you just carry your small wipe in the pocket, just a pocket of tissues, and then you'll be removing and wiping your hands and cleaning the surfaces wherever you go. And I want to urge Ugandans to take this very seriously. We can have on tops of our desks some of these ones which are packed in boxes. We can have others which are pocket friendly. Just put it in the pocket and walk away. And if we use all this and be serious, COVID will be kicked out of this country very soon. I want to thank the young people because you have really gone through too much, and I feel the pain. Imagine you had your business in the entertainment sector and now it's shut down all of a sudden. I mean, that's your livelihood, closed completely. You have got a family, you have got people you look after, you've got to look after yourself. and now you have no source of income. Life can really stop. But I thank God you have come out also to fight so that together once we wipe out Corona, then we can be able to open the economy and everybody gets back to their feet. One of the things I know as the minister in charge of primary health care is that most of these diseases, we can fight them if we are determined. Now that we have got the vaccine, we have enough vaccine for nearly the most vulnerable people. Actually, all of them, the 4.8 million people. By the end of the year, we shall have 12 million vaccine doses in the country. Out of these, we have 2 million, which is Johnson & Johnson.
Buli yenna ali eyo okujja okwegulira akuuma kuba kaakati nze sindise ssente zange olwaleero era akuuma kaakano kantuuseeko nkafunye okuva mu Baronald Sons Kireka Kamuli Road. Neera nze natandika okwenogera ssente n'olw'ensonga eyo bakyala bannange mwenna abali eyo muleke kukkiriza COVID batuulako. Njagala mugende musindike busindisi ssente deliverance akuuma nga kakutuukako deliverance yaba Ronald Sons.
Tulina ekika ky'emberenge oba seeds ezisiikibwamu popcorn. Popcorn oyo mulungi, manyisi nti buli popcorn abwatuka. Kati bali Sons twasala tuti bakasumaazi bafuna obuzibu okufuna ekika ky'emberenge ezibwatuka obulungi. Kati popcorn oyo wali ku office abwatuka obulungi. Gwe kola order yo eyetaaze emberenge ezo ne akuumaako tujja tubikutuusaako wona wooli.
Ne Baronald Sons Kireka bayinza kuma akasika popcorn sika masanyalaze weyambisa matumanda gasigiri.